Hey everyone, it's Keto Granny, and I just wanted to check in to see how you're doing on your journey. It's Keto time with Keto Granny. Let's get going. Okay, I wanted to talk with you about the ketogenic diet. A lot of people want to know, can you do the ketogenic diet if you are over the age of 50 or 60 years old and still have results? And I want to tell you that yes, you can. I know because I did it. Hi, my name is Linda and I am known as Keto Granny. When I started on my keto journey, I weighed well over 330 pounds. And I was miserable. Believe me, I was so miserable. My knees ached, my back ached. I was taking injections just about in every part of my body that I could because I was always in so much pain. And I didn't know the reason I was in so much pain was because my body was so full of inflammation. I was taking injections in my shoulders. I took injections in my hands for trigger fingers. I took injections in my back for low back pain, and I took injection in my knees for knee pain. I wish I would have known then that all of this was all caused because of insulin resistance that had built up in my body. Once I got my insulin resistance under control, I stopped having a lot of those trigger points. That's what I'll call them. I stopped having a lot of inflammation in my body once I got my insulin resistance under control. And you can get your insulin resistance under control too and have some excellent benefits from doing this. And the way I did it was I learned about the ketogenic diet. I did my research. I read about it. I tried to find out everything I could about the ketogenic diet, and then I talked to my doctor about the ketogenic diet. I decided it was something that I wanted to do. I had to commit. That was the next step, was to commit. And once I committed, then I knew that I had to change my kitchen around. I knew that I had to get out all of the things that were full of sugar, all of the sweets, the cakes, the cookies, all of the things that I love to eat, pizza, different things like that. I had to get rid of all of those things from my kitchen. And I added in foods that were keto friendly. Now, when I first started off on the ketogenic diet, I was not able to afford everything to be organic or grass-fed or pasture-raised. But I did get as much as I could to start on that journey. And then I added in other things that I ate on the ketogenic diet. And the main things that I paid attention to when I was reading my labels was my fat, my protein, and my carbohydrates. I kept the carbohydrates low. I kept the fat content high, and I kept the protein moderate on foods that I did eat while I was doing the ketogenic diet. And then I added in a lot of whole foods. And by whole foods, I mean fresh grown vegetables. I added in a lot of fresh grown vegetables. You have to do this on the ketogenic diet because you want to keep your electrolytes up, your potassium, your magnesium, your calcium, your phosphate. It's important that you keep all of these electrolytes up while you're doing the ketogenic diet because you want to feel your best. If you're not feeling your best, it's because more than likely your electrolytes are low and you may be suffering going through what is known as the keto flu. Now, this is not a disease process, but it is a process that your body goes through when you're switching from glucose to ketones. And all it is your body is short on electrolytes or low on electrolytes. When you start switching from glucose to ketones, your body goes through what is known as the keto whoosh. And basically what it is your cells are going to be releasing water and then the glucose or carbohydrates that it has within that cell. And when it releases the water, when your cell releases the water, it's going to release your electrolytes, your potassium, your magnesium, all of that good stuff is going to get released also. And it's up to you to replenish this. You have to replenish your electrolytes in order to feel good on the ketogenic diet. And I cannot stress this enough. There are many different ways that you can do this. You can do this by drinking broth. Broth is full of a lot of nutrients and vitamins and minerals. You can do this by eating a lot of leafy green vegetables. You can do it by eating smoothies, good nutritious smoothies that are blended with berries and nutritious dark leafy green veggies. There are a lot of ways that you can replenish your electrolytes. Drinking warm lemon water, adding in a little bit of pink Himalayan pink salt. You can do all of these things to replenish your electrolytes. Now on this diet, you want to feel the best that you can feel. And in order to feel the best that you can feel, you want to make sure that you're maintaining your protein level, your carb level, and your fat level. Fat is where you're going to get your energy from on the ketogenic diet. Now on the ketogenic diet, once you become fat adapted, you are going to cut back on your fats at that time, and your body is going to become your source of energy. So you see, the ketogenic diet, it is a good diet. It has many great benefits, but you have to be committed. And when I tell people you have to be committed, you have to decide in your mind that this is what you want to do, and then you have to commit for at least 4 weeks to the ketogenic diet in order to see, good benefits and know if this diet is going to work for you. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you a little bit more information on the ketogenic diet. If you're thinking about doing it, do your research, check with your doctor. And I want to say, I am not a doctor. I am not a clinician of any type. I am simply someone who has done the ketogenic diet, and I've had great benefits on this diet. To date, I've lost close to 120 pounds on the ketogenic diet, and I'm still on my weight loss journey. I still have some more pounds that I want to lose. But you can lose weight on this diet. You can get healthier, and yes, you can do it over the age of 50 and over the age of 60. I know, because I did. This is Keto Granny saying, if you have gotten anything from this video, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that the video is worth watching and that you are watching it. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button now. And that way you won't miss any videos that I share. And if you have someone, your grandmother, aunt, or even yourself, and you're thinking about starting the ketogenic diet, make sure that you follow me, and I'll give you some good tips, and we can help each other get healthy together. This is Keto Granny saying, see you next time, and have a great evening, and keto on. If you have enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe box below, and that way you won't miss any videos that I make or share. Thank you.